europeos deseamos. Muchas gracias.
Herzlichen Dank, Herr Sala Boris.
Colleagues, Russia faces its most competitive elections in some time. Even if its winner can easily be predicted, its impact on Russian politics is unpredictable. For the EU, the immediate challenge is to help ensure a fair and inclusive electoral process and be prepared for a range of scenarios. But we shouldn't lose sight of the big picture. Regardless of the outcome, Russia will be politically a different country than it was a year ago. Pressures for political and economic reforms will only grow. Russia's internal evolution will have major implications for our bilateral relations in terms of political dialogue, trade, visa policy or human rights, and possibly also on the broader security environment in Europe. It is a strategic opportunity for a new and more effective EU policy toward Russia, but we need to readjust it in a flexible and timely manner. I am hopeful that Baroness Ashton and her team, besides preparing for the presidential elections, also have their eyes set on this bigger picture. Thank you.
Herzlichen Dank. Als nächster Sprecher haben wir Herrn Svensson.
Tack, herr talman. Låt mig uttrycka beundran över fru Ashtons tålamod och balanserade och kloka svar. Vi har tidigare här ikväll talat om Iran.